Coursera says its certificates can help you build a career. But can it actually lead to a six-figure salary? After using the platform for over 5 years and looking at real hiring demand, what these roles actually pay, and the skills companies are looking for, the answer is yes, but not all of them. Because not all certificates are equal. Some can genuinely help you move into higher paying roles, whilst others don't carry the same weight. And the platform that keeps coming up in that conversation is Coursera. So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 Coursera certificates that can actually lead to six-figure career paths, based on real-world demand, the skills they teach, and how these skills translate into higher paying roles. And if you're thinking about upgrading your skills, switching careers, or moving into something better paid, these are the ones worth paying attention to. Let's get into it. Kicking off the list at number 5 is the Meta Social Media Marketing Professional Certificate. This program is made up of 6 courses and typically takes around 5 months to complete, making it a solid option if you're starting from scratch and want to get into digital marketing. Throughout the certificate, you'll learn how businesses actually run social media campaigns, including strategy, targeting, paid advertising, analytics, and campaign optimization on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. What I like most is the focus on evaluating results, so you can continuously improve and refine your campaigns. Digital marketing skills are needed across almost every industry, with roles like social media manager and digital marketing specialist appearing frequently in job listings. In terms of salary, entry-level roles typically start around $50,000 to $60,000 per year, but with experience, salaries can grow well past $100,000, with some roles reaching $130,000 or more. Coming in at number 4 is the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. This program is designed for beginners and is made up of 9 courses, typically taking around 6 months to complete, depending on how quickly you move through the material. You'll learn how to work with data in a business setting, including cleaning and analyzing data using spreadsheets and SQL and creating visualizations. What I really like is the focus on the exact tools companies expect, along with practical projects that help you build real job-ready skills. Data analytics is in demand across almost every industry, with roles like data analysis and business intelligence analysis appearing frequently in job listings. Salaries for data analysis roles typically start around $75,000 per year, but with experience can grow well beyond $100,000, and many roles reaching $120,000 or more. At number 3, we have the Google Project Management Professional Certificate. This program has built a strong reputation with a rating of around 4.8 and is made up of 7 courses that typically take around 6 months to complete. It's designed for beginners and prepares you for entry-level project management roles, covering key areas like agile planning, budgeting, risk management, and stakeholder communication. What makes it particularly valuable is how transferable these skills are, with project managers needed across industry like tech, healthcare, and finance. Project management roles typically start around $80,000, and as you gain experience, roles like senior project manager or program manager can pay between $110,000 to $120,000 or more. Before we get into the final 2 certificates, which lead to some of the highest paying roles on this list, a quick one. If you're enjoying this video so far, consider subscribing. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep making more videos like this. Thanks so much. Taking the number 2 spot is the IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate. This certificate is made up of 13 courses, takes around 4 months to complete, and is recommended for intermediate learners. You'll learn how to build and train machine learning models, including supervised and unsupervised techniques, as well as deep learning using tools like Python, TensorFlow, and Keras. What I really like is the level of technical depth. It focuses on actually building models and understanding how they're used in real-world applications. AI engineering is one of the fastest growing areas in tech as companies increasingly integrate machine learning into their products, with roles like AI engineer and machine learning engineer appearing more frequently in job listings. AI engineering roles usually start around $90,000 to $110,000, but as you gain experience, roles like senior machine learning engineer can reach $150,000 to $160,000 $170,000 a year. And taking the top spot at number 1 is the IBM AI Product Manager Professional Certificate. This certificate takes around 3 months to complete and is made up of 10 courses. It's designed for those looking to move into product-focused AI roles. You'll learn how to work with AI in a business context, covering areas like AI fundamentals, product lifecycle management, evaluating use cases, stakeholder communication, and responsible AI. What I really like is the focus on the strategic side of AI. It's not about building models, but understanding how AI can be applied to real products and create value. AI product management is a growing area as more companies integrate AI into their products and need people who can bridge the gap between technical teams and the business side. And for me, this is really what puts it at number 1. It gives you a way to move into AI without needing to be deeply technical, and you can build those skills in a relatively short amount of time compared to more technical roles. You're not just building models, you're shaping how AI is actually used in real businesses. And that's where a lot of the value is right now. And that combination of accessibility, demand, and earning potential is what makes it a standout from the rest. Product management roles typically start around $100,000 per year, with average salaries closer to $125,000. But specialist roles like AI product manager or technical product manager can reach $150,000 to $180,000. And that's why this one takes the top spot. Before we wrap up, it's worth quickly talking about pricing because all these certificates on this list are included in Coursera Plus. Coursera Plus is a subscription that gives you access to thousands of courses and professional certificates across its platform, including programs from companies like Google, IBM, and Meta. There are 2 main pricing options. The monthly plan costs $59 per month and includes a 7-day free trial, which lets you explore courses and certificates to see if the platform works for you before any payment kicks in. The annual plan costs $399 per year, which works out cheaper per month if you're planning to complete multiple certificates over time. And if you want a full breakdown of Coursera Plus, how the subscription really works, cancellation policies, and whether it's actually worth it, I've covered all of that in a separate video. And if a subscription isn't realistic for you right now, Coursera also offers financial aid on many of its certificates. I've explained exactly how to apply for that in another video as well. So here's the bottom line. The right certificate can be a great way to move into a higher paying role, but the key is choosing one that actually aligns with the direction you want your career to go in. If you're planning to take any of these on Coursera, you might also want to understand how Coursera Plus works and whether it's actually worth it. I've broken all of that down in another video. And if you want to explore more career-focused programs, you can also check out my video on the best Google professional certificates on Coursera. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which certificate you're thinking about taking. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio!